pattern will tell you how many chains you need, and we will do about 10 to get you started. You're going to be using the working yarn, which is the side of the yarn that's attached to the ball or skein. Your slip knot should be at the bottom of the shaft, and your tail end should be hanging just to the right. You want to hold the loop on your hook down with your right index finger to prevent it from moving around. Then with your left hand, you're going to take the working yarn and take it from the bottom to the back, around to the front, which is called a yarn over. And then you're going to hold that yarn with your ring finger and middle finger and just hold it out of the way. Then with your left index finger and thumb, you're going to grab just below the slip knot and you're going to pull both those loops, except the left loop is going to get caught in the throat of the crochet hook and the right loop is going to go over the head completely. And you have now made one chain. And so to repeat that, you just yarn over again from back to front, grab just below the slip knot, pull to the left, and the right loop goes over the head of the crochet hook to make another chain. And we'll do that again. Yarn over, back to front. And now that there's a few chains here, you can grab the chains instead of the slip knot to pull the right side over the head of the crochet hook. And we'll yarn over again. Yarn over again and pull to the left. Yarn over again, pull to the left, yarn over, pull to the left. And keep repeating until you have as many chains as you need for your project. If your chains look a little bit messy and inconsistent, that's okay. Just keep practicing until you have consistent chains.